Now he began to write in different ways. He began to record the events that took place around him. Accounts of the proceedings of royal courts were also written systematically. Many rulers had their orders, judicial decisions, donations, etc. inscribed on stone or copper plates. Over a period of time, many forms of literature developed. They included books on religious and social subjects, plays, poetry, tragedies, and scientific works. All this literature help us to understand the history of the various historical periods. These sources are known as the written sources of history. Now, before man used to write on the potsherd unbaked bricks by using any pointed object. So that they can write properly, he used the tree barks to write anything related to those events. None after this experience and knowledge, he started different ways to write now. Whatever the events used to happen, they used to record it. Those time a big royal king, whatever he used to spend money or sell anything, all those were accounts written in a systematic way on stone or copper plates. Whatever the ruler passes any order or any important decision is taken, they used to write on this. Then, slowly, after this experience, they started to write many books on religious, social subjects, poetry, etc. Now, from this, we can understand the various historical period is the written sources of history. Do you know? Bhurjapatra means writing sheets made from the bark of a birch tree. Bhurja is the Sanskrit, Sanskrit name of the birch tree. Birch trees are found in Kashmir. Now we will go to the next page. Oral sources. Oral sources, OVs, folk songs, folk tales, and similar literature is passed on from generation to generation by word of mouth. This literature, not in the written form, its authors are unknown. This type of literature preserved by oral tradition forms the oral sources of history. Now, oral sources. Earlier also I told you like oral sources, OVs, Marathi poetry or any folk song or folk tales and any folk tales like Mahabharata का जो हुआ है, रामायण जो भी है, ये जो हम सालों से सुनते आए हैं, जनरेशन टू जनरेशन, these are called oral sources. Now, ये जो literature है, it is not in written form because it is a oral source. ये सुनते सुनते हम आए हैं. Now, this type of literature preserved by oral tradition form the oral sources of history. पहले के ज़माने में इनको अच्छी तरह से प्रिजर्व रखते थे.